Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create your own Linktree-esque site using a tool that I built called Treelink. It's available on treelink.app, and if you would like to view a live sample of what it might look like when you're finished, you can go to example.treelink.app, and if you would like to follow along, there's documentation available at docs.treelink.app. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you get into the site is to fill in all these fields with your information. So I'm going to be making a site for Jedi Master Yoda. I'm going to choose a profile picture and upload that. If you don't know which URL you want to host this site at yet, you don't have to fill this in right now, but I am going to put in my URL. There's an optional blog that you can choose to turn off if you don't need it. I'm going to leave it on. And for these icon links, you can delete these placeholder ones and put in your own information. Okay, same goes for these custom links here. You can just get rid of the ones you don't need and then build your own links. Okay, now that that's finished and you have all your links in, you can choose to come down here and create your own custom color schemes for light and dark mode, or you can just choose from one of these pre-made themes. So I'm going to go with green. And I'm going to click Export Config down here at the bottom. It's going to ask me where I want to save my zip file. I'm going to choose my desktop. Then I'm going to open Finder and extract that file. Inside the folder, you can see that there's a siteconfig.json, which we're going to need later. And there's also your profile picture that you uploaded. And then there's a colorsconfig.txt that's full of all the CSS color variables that we're going to use later. So now let's go back to our browser and open up github.com/TrevorTylerLee/Treelink to get to the repo. And you want to click on this Use this template button and create a new repo. We're going to choose a repository name, and it doesn't matter whether it's public or private. Click Create Repository. Okay, then we can click this green code button and get the HTTPS link to our repo. So now we can open up terminal and let's go to our desktop and we can do git clone and then paste in the link that we just copied. Let's cd into the directory we just made and then npm install our dependencies. Okay, now we can open this up in a text editor. Let's just close that. And the first thing we want to replace is this siteconfig.json. So let's go back to Finder and get this information. And then we can just get rid of this whole thing and just paste in our stuff. Save that. Open our global.css file, and we want to replace all these CSS variables. So let's go back here and get our colorsconfig.txt and just copy that and then get rid of all of these right here. Okay, and the last thing we want to do is replace our profile picture. So let's go back to Finder, just grab our profile picture and we're going to drop it into source, assets, and then replace the profile picture that was already there. Okay, now that that's finished, oh yeah, we also have a blog with some posts, and we can delete the posts that we don't want in source content blog. And then we want to rename this remaining folder with whatever we want the URL of our blog post to be. So I'm going to call this the Jedi Code and open this index.md file that contains all of the content of the post. We want to put our own content in here, and then we can just change the title, and we can change the description, as well as the date, and save that. And now we can go back to terminal and run npm run dev. It's going to give us a link that will show us a preview of our site. So that's it for this part of the video, and in the next one I will show you how you can deploy this site to the internet and also add your own custom domain to it. Thanks.